to Joe's Crafts and DIYs. Today I am so excited to share with you my new experiment in trying to grow tulips and daffodils indoors. I would love to try growing them using vases, and hopefully they're gonna be successful, because if they will actually bloom, I would love to give them as presents to my friends. If you guys love tulips, this might be something that you might want to try one day. So stay tuned. I'm just gonna use some rocks that I got from the Dollar Tree. Rocks, vases, water, that's basically what I need. So let's start. All right, so you gotta put the rocks. You can choose any rock you want. You can even use beads or marbles. That you just have to put some water. You want to make sure that the water is just enough for the roots. You want to put it right over here. You don't want to put it over. So the water should be just enough. I will try to put water first. So right about there. See, it's not, maybe a little bit more, just enough for the roots to be able to get some water. And then you pick your bulbs. All of these bulbs already have, look, the roots are starting to come out, and so I will just put them in. If there were different colors, I could have arranged them, but since it's the same color, so I will just put them there. So all of them have roots already. Oops, this is not easy. One more. Some people put them in the refrigerator for 12 to 15 weeks or 20 weeks before actually doing this. I didn't have time to do that, but they were sitting outside in the cold place outside. So hopefully it will still work. So right there. They're not even sitting, so I have to add some water because they're not, the roots are not touching the water, so I have to add a little bit of water. Let's make sure that we don't get the bulbs wet. Let's put it this side here. Okay, let's see. So right there. And if you think there's too much water, you can just adjust the water. The others. Okay, so that should be good. That's it. And there, just enough. Here we go. This one didn't even touch the water, but make sure the bulb is not touching the water. Just the roots, not the bulb. Okay. So here's daffodils, and they're also growing, so I'm just gonna put some of them here and maybe some of them on another pot if I can find other pots. Alright, so we have 4 bulbs of daffodils in this container. The rest of the daffodils will just go in this container because I ran out of glass containers. So I'm just gonna put some water, the same thing. Just enough water. And we can just put this daffodils. And I can probably add more water. Day 3. Look, they are growing. Look at the roots. And my daffodils are growing. Day 7. Still growing nicely. And look at the leaves. Still not sure if they are going to be growing successfully, but so far so good. So that was it, guys. It's super duper easy. Just a few materials, beads, marbles, rocks, your glass jars, and of course the water. For me personally, I would prefer to use glass jars because then you can see the improvement or the progress every day as the root starts from really small until they're growing longer and spreading out. It is super fun. I never really expected to be so excited to wake up every morning just to check my tulips. I can't wait for those tulips and daffodils to fully grow and maybe give me some flowers. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get updated for my future videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.